A picture would have been nice, but you know, she didn't give me one, so it's going to be whatever I create. I've got an idea, and we're going to get started. I've already got a sliver, and I haven't even done anything yet. See how we did. 3 inches by 3 inches. 3 by 3. I like it. Perfect. 35. That is a wrap for me today. I've actually still got a ton of daylight. I think it's like 5, but I'm a little tired, and I want to clean my shop up. I will be back out working again tomorrow, just a little bit. I'm on my way to Arizona Thursday for a big backpack fishing trip with a buddy of mine. So we'll see you back out here soon. Okay, so this looks nice. I did make a little mistake. We'll talk about that later. I fixed it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and at least get the kind of the lower half, the legs buttoned up, so I can start getting to work on the bottom, the drawers, and a lot of you are probably wondering, this is a mixture of wood. I got poplar, pine, common wood, common board. The lower half is gonna get painted. Then I'll put a nice hardwood top on it. So this is where I'm at. I think it looks pretty cool. I did make a mistake, not the biggest a deal, but I forgot to final sand the legs before I got this thing glued and screwed up. They're only sanded to like 80 grit, and again, it's going to be painted, so it's not the most critical thing. They can still be sanded, I'll just have to do a lot more of it by hand. I'm going to try to get the bottom cut out, 3/4 inch plywood, and I'm going to get the bottom in, I hope. You know, and if I can do that, that's all I have time for today. All right, let me show you where I'm at and what I did off camera. I also added a piece right here and a piece right there. And that gave it so much added support to really help those legs stay true and square. Was it needed? Probably not, but I know most of you are probably like me and we over-engineer everything. We probably overthink everything too, which sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. still got quite a bit of sanding work, and it's getting closer though. I had a great fishing trip, if any of you are interested. Had an awesome time. But for this project, I just need to get it sanded up, and then I need to go pick out some nice hardwood. I'm going to do a nice hardwood top and some drawer faces. So I think it's going to look really good, just kind of going with the flow. It is nice to have a little bit of shop help. I've got the tabletop up there. It's the panels are gluing up for the top. I've got a panel right here gluing up for one of the drawer faces, and then the other drawer face is going to come out of this piece. Right now I've just got to wait for these panels to dry. Gonna work on getting this thing final sanded, primed, hopefully painted today. If not, probably tomorrow, but nice those are.
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with the way that looks back there. I'm officially ready to get this thing cleaned up, primed, painted, and then just finish assembly work. Well, painting sucks.